Okay, wait. Okay, I want you to hide.
Eh?
Please, I want you to hide.
Hide for what
reason? You see something, please.
Listen, I'm going for an important meeting.
Hide.
Don't stop me
Okay,
again.
hide now.
Will you stop? There's nothing wrong with you.
Sorry, sir. Okay, now.
Hey!
Oh, what is wrong with this man? Hey. Hey, madam.
What is it? Has my husband gone out?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Did you check if my husband has gone out?
Yes. He has left.
Okay. I want you to go to the market and buy something for me.
Okay.
Just buy carrots for me. What did I say?
Carrots.
Don't buy from this aboki that sells here. Go to inside market. Do you know where they call Akwata?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to inside and get me fresh ones. Take.
Let me get my phone.
Just take your time. Get your phone for what?
Let me use it so that you can call me.
Okay. Just take your time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Take your time. Select good ones. Then when you buy them, you can start coming back.
Okay.
Eh?
Okay.
Hello, babe. The fool has gone out. He has traveled. Yes. Please, I'm missing you. I want to see you. Just come. Let's start from where we stopped, okay? My maid, I sent her out too. I asked her to go inside market. Inside. And that one, she can be lazy, eh? No problem. Wait. Oh, you are around. Please come in. Why are you wasting my credit for that matter? Come in. Come inside. This is your house. Eh? Come inside. What are you waiting for?
My lover.
So you are around.
So he has finally gone out.
Honestly. So now.
And first of all, babe, you know the last time you promised to give me $10,000.
$10,000. You are joking. It's just a small change. I'll give you $20,000.
That's why I trust you. My baby. Let's go inside.
Hey, baby.
My car broke down on the way, so I called the mechanic to fix it.
What?
Oh, yes.
You didn't call me?
It's okay, never mind.
Okay,
I'm perceiving a different fragrance in this house.
Okay, Chidera that sells perfume, she came in here and brought one. She asked me to buy. That
really?
lady, yeah.
Okay,
So
fine. I want to ease myself.
Baby, why not go inside? Do you want to use the go inside your room and use
Since I'm already here now, let me use
Baby,
this
can you just use the one inside your room? Baby, I'm missing you. Let's go inside. I want you to go inside. Yes. Let me take your bag.
That's okay.
Chief.
Baby, what are you doing there?
Chief, did you see the video I sent you?
Yes, I saw it.
I
So
was the one that sent it.
where is he? Where is the man?
Okay, the man is here.
Where is the man?
The man.
There's no man. Baby, come here.
Okay, he's here.
Baby, no man.
He's here. He's in the bathroom.
At the count of 1, come out!
Okay, the other man went to eat himself.
Madam, your plum,
Okay, he's not anybody.
Yes,
my
two.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, come out. They have catch you. Come out.
Okay, how long has this been going on?
Just I did not do anything.
You did not do anything?
Okay, this is what Madam have been doing in this house. That is what I was trying to show you that time. And you don't. Hey!
David, don't wait.
Hey!
Please go in there. Bring every of our belongings. Bring it out here.
Okay, sir.
Go on, back
Let
here.
me tell you, what God has joined together, no
Yes.
one shall put asunder. You can, babe, are you listening to this idiot? You're just a local girl. Eh? The plumber, you just called the plumber. I'm sorry, babe.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Okay. He's here.
Eh?
Yes.
Okay. Hey,
It has
push her out.
finished. Oh yeah, Madam. Be going.
And now listen.
Be going.
I am going to call your father and I'll report this to them.
Madam,
Asking
go,
for the
go.
bride price I paid on your
Go.
head. Immediately
You're so
leave my
wicked.
house and never you return again. Get out!
You're cheating on your husband. Okay, thank God you came back on time.
Thank you so much
Okay, you're welcome.
for your help, okay?
Yeah, okay.
It's alright.
You know you're a good man now. You've been a good man, no? That's why I try to find out what is going on in this house. Madam have been cheating on you. If not because of me now, you will not know. Look at me now. Look at me. Look at I'm a fine woman, no. Check me out now, guy. Instead of being with a woman that will be cheating on you, I'm here. And you know I'm a faithful servant. You can turn me to something useful. You understand now? Sorry, sir. You can turn me to a wife, oh. You can turn me to a wife, oh.
Ebube,
Sir?
is something wrong with your head?
No, sir.
I don't understand. Will you get out of my face?
Sorry, sir.
It's like you don't need this job again.
No, I'm okay, sir. I'm okay with this, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Sorry, sir. Hey.
What you don't know is bigger than you.